and welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Tricia and I absolutely love to play around with colourful makeup. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I've seen this brand all over all my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. They're called Phantom Jewels, and I was really intrigued by them. I was like, that jewellery looks so pretty. They were doing it's a surprise box they call it, and it's £50 and you're meant to get, I think it's 5 pieces of jewellery and the total is something like £125 and yeah, it's £50. So I have one and we're going to open it and see what I get. On the website you can be quite particular about what you want. You could select what, colour of metal you want, so if you're wanting silver or if you're wanting gold, or you can do that. So I selected silver. You can even go further down and then there's a bit called add notes, and you can put in there, if you want to have pink gemstones, if you want it to be hearts, if you want it to be, if you don't want earrings, for example, or you don't want bracelets, you can be quite selective, supposedly. So we're going to open up and see what I get. I am going to put like a little clip of people, like unboxings or boxes being made up by Phantom Jewels, so you can see, and we will see what it looks like. I'm just going to show you it now. This is how it arrived. It came in a wee pink bag, but I've took it out, obviously, the pink bag, and this is it here, and it's like taped down. So we're just going to open it if I can find. No, that's the wrong end. I'll just peel this bit of tape. Oh. Got a bit of tape. It's very like what I see when I watch the videos. It's got a little card here on the top. It's got next order you get 15% off by the looks of things. And it's got the little heart here, and we'll just lift that. Oh, it's very, very nice the way they've packed it with the tissue paper, and I like all the little boxes that come in. So we're just going to get stuck in and see what I've got, see if it's all the hype. So it comes like that, very cute, I like it. And it comes, in a little pouch as well, that's so cute. What have I got? Let's see. Oh wow! So I have, look, it's a little pretty pink ring. That's lovely. And you could select, obviously, the size that you want. And that's what it looks like on. It's very pretty. Excuse my nails, probably don't look very nice, but that's what it looks like. It's very, very pretty, very sparkly, really pretty. I love it, I love it. Okay, so far so good. Let's open up the next pouch and see what I get. I have another little pouch. Oh, there's 2 things in here. Another ring. Let's see what this one's like. Oh, this is pink as well. Oh, this is pretty as well, really pretty. Look at that. That's absolutely stunning and so sparkly, really sparkly. And in here, let me see what I've got in here if I can open it. Oh, it's a little bracelet. It's like a little tennis bracelet. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. That is so pretty. And it actually looks like it might fit me because I have the tiniest wrists ever. That's really pretty. And again, it's all silver like I requested. Let's put this in here, and I'll just take that ring out and I'll put it back in the plastic packaging. I think this is so far so good. So far so good. I'm loving everything that I've got. Alright, let's just put that back in there. Put it back in the pouch and we'll open up another one. Let's go for this one here now and see what I've got. Oh, they're so pretty. They're like little pink heart earrings. They're so cute. And again, they're silver. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Open up this one. See what I've got in here. it's a necklace. That's really, really pretty. Really, and again, it's pink and it's silver. Really, really like it a lot. Let's see, my last one that I have. Let's see what I've got. I'm loving all the packaging. It's so cute with the little pouches. I have, oh wow, another bracelet. Wow. So, when I've watched unboxing, everybody's had 5 items. I've got an extra item. When I did mine, it did say there was like a code and you put premium in and it was for another 10 bracelets. So one of these is obviously meant to be that. That's really pretty, really, look at that sparkly, let me put it up. Because I have such small wrists, I could probably slide it over. Yeah, I could slide that on because I've got tiny wrists. Just going to slide it on. There we go, look at that. That is so pretty. So sparkly as well. Wait till we get, I'm going to take out one of the rings again. We'll put one of the rings on my fingers again. That's so pretty. I probably should have put that bracelet on this hand, but never mind. Look at that. That is so pretty. I'm really, really happy with the ring. So this box, if you wanted to buy it, is £50. And the items, I mean, I've kind of sort of priced pretty much everything, is probably about sort of £25 to £40 for further things. I mean, I think this ring's maybe about 25. I'm just kind of sort of guessing, but I mean, if I was to price everything at £25, it does come to £125, plus obviously I've had the spare extra freebie put in as well. So I think it's definitely worth, you know, purchasing, definitely. This would be nice as a Valentine's gift or a birthday or Christmas. Really, really nice. I'm very, very impressed. We'll definitely be buying from them. Definitely. Absolutely love it. But anyway, this was just a little unboxing to see what I got. And, well, yeah, you do get what you see when you watch the little videos that they have on their different channels. Anyway, I'm away to go. Thanks for watching. I'll be back again with another video very soon.